Today, before I go on my ride, I'm going to install the highway pegs on my new 2019 Street Glide. So we got the Harley Davidson adjustable highway peg mount kit here, and we got them in chrome. We're going to put these highway pegs on this 2019 Street Glide. I'm going to put them as low as I possibly can to give me the longest reach as I can on this bike. So they'll look pretty low on the bike, but that's just where it's most comfortable for me. So we're going to get these put on. It's real simple. Then we're going to go riding. First off, you want to find out where you're going to put these. And I'm tall, so I want them as low and as far away from me as possible. So I have them down just right before the engine guards start to bend. And I want to make sure they're straight, but I'm just eyeballing them. I'm not going to tighten them up into place exactly where I want them until I make sure that both sides are on and completely straight. All right, so now I got my foot peg as low as I can possibly get it, and I have this eyeball pretty good that it's straight. So I'm going to tighten it up just a little bit until I get to the other side. All right, so now we got this side adjusted where we think we want it to be, so let's do the other side. So we'll put this on just like this here and get it tightened up. Yesterday when I was riding, I kept wanting to put my feet up on the engine guard, so I said, okay, when I get home, I'm going to have to put these on. So you don't realize how convenient these things are until you don't have them on your bike. So now that we have both sides on, we're going to make sure that they are the same height from the ground. More importantly, make sure they're comfortable and set in the right position. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like it, hit the subscribe button. And also hit the notification button to be notified when other videos are coming out. More videos are coming soon. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. I got to run.